All right, let's talk about our weather. I don't know how winning our weather is going to be today.
Well, we do have the risk, the chance for some severe thunderstorms, especially northwest of Dallas-Fort Worth, and the possibility of some hail with those storms. So we really need to watch for that. But you can see here underneath us, we're in the southwest. Everything is fine there. Arizona, California, no problem. But it is parts of the Midwest and obviously also parts of Texas that are under the gun today. And this is important because you can see the yellow area. That is showing a risk level 2, and it includes places like Iowa. Last night in northeast Iowa, they had some very large tornadoes, and once again, they will be under the gun. And you can see here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, parts of Denton and Weiss over into Montague are in that risk level number 2. So we definitely need to be aware of that, and that's why we have a first alert weather day for today, because of the possibility of some isolated severe storms. That's important too, because we have a 50% chance. That means 50% of us won't see a severe storm. And you can see the area that we're really watching. Collin County, parts of Denton County over to the north and northwest. But obviously, if a severe storm develops in this area, it's not going to stop at the borderline because it's not a level 2. So 1 or 2 of those severe storms could sneak into the Metroplex. And the main time frame would be between 3 to 5, but we'll say about 3 to around 9 o'clock. We just have to be aware that we're looking at that possibility. So what would be the threat with the severe storms? First of all, the possibility of large hail, especially northwest of the Metroplex, some wind damage with the supercells, the strongest ones. The tornado threat is low, but not 0, and flooding is also low. These should be isolated and move through quickly. I don't expect them to train one over the other, but that's something obviously that we will watch. So right now it's already raining, but nothing severe on our radar. Notice we have some light rain in parts of Denton, eastern areas of Weiss County into Collin County. And that's what you will encounter in the next couple of hours until things get going. So where will it all start? Well, over to our west. Notice the dry line, and this is important. A couple of hours ago, I checked out the dry line where the storms will start, and it was west of Lubbock, and now it's towards the east. That means it's moving towards us, and that's the lift that we need to get the supercells going. How do I know it moved? We'll take a look at the dew point. That's the way that we measure the humidity in the air. It's at 26 now, or 22 in Lubbock. It's dropped dramatically in the last couple of hours. We are in the muggy sector. I don't have to tell you that. If you've been outside, it is muggy, it is warm, but it won't be as warm as it has been. We are in the 70s, and we'll top out near 78 today. By tomorrow, we're back to 88, and we'll continue to be muggy. So let's go ahead and take it hour by hour. Notice 2 o'clock, still a few showers, and then things get going. Now, don't concentrate where each supercell is. Just focus on the activity, the coverage, and the intensity. Notice that little pink area, that shows some hail, possibly large hail with some of these cells, and that will continue until around 9 o'clock, and after that it moves out. That's important. Now, a lot of people can't sleep at night because they're scared of the severe weather. Well, this won't last all night long. I think the last of it, latest, would be 11 o'clock, and by tomorrow we are dry. So we talked about the level 2, level 1, everything is fine there, and then we have a front that comes through over the weekend, specifically Friday into Saturday, and it will be bring the chance of a couple of thunderstorms. So for this weekend, we'll see a dramatic drop in temperatures. So for today, 78, 85 on Thursday, 82 on Friday, and notice we dropped to 66 on Saturday with some rain, mainly in the morning and early afternoon.